What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my brand new truck that I just recently got. I did get rid of my 2018 Tacoma TRD Off-Road for this bad boy, which I'll show you in a minute. It's going to be an awesome build, at least in my personal opinion. But I did want to say a big thanks to you guys for helping me out in this. But it is also something that I've worked hard for. So I'm seriously super excited about it. Let's just go ahead and dive right into it and show you guys what I got. All right, so as you guys can't tell, I'm super excited. Woo! No, I'm just kidding, get some music going. All right, you guys, so I'm super excited to announce this finally. I know a bunch of you guys have been asking me what truck did I go with, because a bunch of you guys have seen that I did get rid of my previous truck. So what I ended up getting is a brand new 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4. So I did go with the same color, which is magnetic gray. I really love that color. I loved it on the previous truck, and I just love it overall. So on this one, I'll go ahead and give you like a quick overview on what the differences are and what it came with. But basically, as far as for the build, it's going to be similar to my previous one because I did take off most of the parts. So most of them will be transferred over, and then from there, I'll just keep on building. I did buy brand new parts that I haven't shown you guys yet, so stay tuned for that. So right here in the front, as you guys can tell, it's probably a major difference from the previous version. The grille is a lot different. Actually, I really do like this one compared to the previous generation, which was all chrome. This one actually looks pretty cool. I may black out just the Toyota emblem. And then question that you guys are probably going to ask me, I know most 2020 Tacomas do come with the different type of headlights. I didn't go with that package because I already have aftermarket headlights that I'm going to be throwing on to this truck. So there was no need for me to purchase, you know, a more expensive one. So that's going to do it for the front. Like I said, most of it I'm going to be installing back from the previous truck, and then I'll just go ahead and add on from there. So coming over here to the side, I did get a brand new lift, but it is similar to my previous one, which is the Bilstein 5100s up front. As you could tell, my wheels and tires, they're the same ones off the other one. I just threw them on here. One thing I did want to note, when I did throw them, because they installed them for me at the dealer, so it was on a stock lift. Don't do that. It almost teared through my tire. I drove it home like that. So if you guys are wondering if you can drive a stock Tacoma on 33s, possibly with some trimming, but as far as completely stock, it's not possible. On the side, it's mainly almost the same thing. So on the back over here, the only main difference is going to be the tail lights. I don't really like these, so if someone wants to hook me up with some other tail lights, let me know in the comment section below. I'll appreciate that. On these brand new Tacomas, for some weird reason, they took that off. You still have the right side over here, the little one and the outlet, but for some odd reason on the driver's side, they took off the compartment. That kind of sucks because I was going to utilize that for something for another project. The main difference is in the inside from the previous truck. Back then, you used to have a lever right here in the front to move the seat up and down, and for short people like me, it was kind of hard to see over the road, or over the dash I should say. For these ones right here, it's actually all automatic, and you have 3 different adjustments to adjust the seat, which is pretty awesome. On the panel right here, I don't like it because yeah, where are my switches gonna go? So I'll probably find something out, because I know I've been getting a lot of questions on what you guys with the 2020s can do with this. I'll think of something, and if I do, I'll go ahead and make a video on it. But as for right now, I mean, I don't like that. Another big difference, and I'm gonna leave some of this stuff out because I am gonna do a comparison video of a 2020 versus a 2018. So I'm not gonna go too in depth. But another thing too is the screen. If you look at the screen inside, it's a lot bigger than the previous version. I think this is gonna be an 8-inch screen versus the 7-inch from before. So that setup is actually pretty cool. I like it. Not sure about the chrome, but it's cool that it's big. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. I hope you guys did enjoy this quick little video of the reveal of my brand new truck. Like I said, most of the parts that I do have already, I'm gonna throw them on, but I am gonna continue to build. If you guys do have ideas for me or anything like that, make sure to comment them down below, or you can email me. It's always in the description box below as well. Do you think this truck is nice?
Yeah.
Yeah? Does it look better than the previous one?
Yes.
All right, there we go. Why?
Because it's a 4x4.
Oh damn, he said it himself. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Once again, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.